This custom system unwinds and joins two rolls of material and then cuts it to a determined length. The machine consists of two unwinds. One unwind is for the release liner/adhesive combination. The second unwind is for the additional release liner. The material is fed off the two unwinds and brought together with idler rollers. The unwind controls tension using the provided dancer. Silicone rollers prevent sticking and buildup due to the adhesive. Nip rollers pull the material through the system and into the knife assembly. Included with this unit is an Ethernet communication package, which allows the rest of the line to communicate the cut length to the FG-110's PLC. The unit feeds and cuts that length, and then pauses for the next signal. The entire system is mounted on a common base plate and an enclosed frame. Please give us a call to discuss your application.